निवासिनी मामवतु श्री सरस्वती।
Namaste. Navaratri, the festival celebrated over 9 nights all over India for various reasons and for various manners. Friends, this Navaratri, let's explore how this beautiful festival is celebrated in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, West Bengal and Gujarat.
ഇന്ത്യ ഒട്ടാകെ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ആഘോഷമാണ് നവരാത്രി മഹോത്സവം. രാജ്യത്തിന്റെ പല ഭാഗങ്ങളിലും പല പേരുകളിലുമാണ് നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷം അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് കേരളത്തിലെ നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ച് നോക്കാം.
ഉത്തരപക്ഷത്തെ അമാവാസി മുതൽ പൗർണമി വരെയുള്ള 9 ദിവസങ്ങളിലാണ് നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷം. ഇതിൽ അവസാന ദിവസങ്ങളായ ദുർഗാഷ്ടമി, മഹാനവമി, വിജയദശമി എന്നിവ വളരെ പ്രാധാന്യമർഹിക്കുന്നു. കേരളത്തിലെ മിക്ക ക്ഷേത്രങ്ങളിലും നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷം നടക്കുമെങ്കിലും സരസ്വതി ക്ഷേത്രങ്ങളിലാണ് പ്രധാനമായും ആളുകൾ എത്തുന്നത്.
കേരളത്തിൽ ദുർഗാഷ്ടമി ദിവസത്തെ പൂജവെപ്പോടെയാണ് നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷങ്ങളുടെ തുടക്കം. വിവിധ തൊഴിലുകളിൽ ഏർപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നവർ പണിയായുധങ്ങളും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ പാഠപുസ്തകങ്ങളും ഗ്രന്ഥങ്ങളും എല്ലാം സരസ്വതി വിഗ്രഹത്തിനു മുമ്പിൽ പൂജയ്ക്കായി സമർപ്പിക്കും. വീടുകളിലോ ക്ഷേത്രങ്ങളിലോ പൂജ വയ്ക്കാം.
പൂജവയ്പിന്റെ 2ാം ദിനമാണ് മഹാനവമി. നവരാത്രിയിലെ ഏറ്റവും പുണ്യം നിറഞ്ഞ ദിനമാണ്. ഈ ദിവസമാണ് പുസ്തക പൂജയും ആയുധ പൂജയും. ഈ ദിവസം അക്ഷരം നോക്കുകയോ ഉപകരണം ഉപയോഗിക്കുകയോ പാടില്ലെന്ന ആചാരം കേരളത്തിലുണ്ട്.
മഹാനവമിയിലെ അടച്ചുപൂജയിൽ നിന്ന് ജ്ഞാനത്തിന്റെയും പ്രകാശത്തിന്റെയും വിജയത്തിലേക്ക് തുറക്കുന്ന ദിവസമാണ് വിജയദശമി. കേരളത്തിൽ കുരുന്നുകൾ വിദ്യാരംഭം നടത്താറുള്ളത് വിജയദശമി ദിനത്തിലാണ്.
കലകളുടെ ആദ്യാക്ഷരം കുറിക്കാൻ വിജയദശമി ഉത്തമമാണ്. തേനിൽ മുക്കിയ പവിത്ര മോതിരം കൊണ്ട് നാവിൽ സരസ്വതി മന്ത്രം എഴുതിയാണ് കുരുന്നുകൾ അറിവിന്റെ ലോകത്തേക്ക് പിച്ചവെക്കുന്നത്. 9ാം ദിവസമായ വിജയദശമിയോടെ നവരാത്രി ഉത്സവത്തിന് തിരശ്ശീലയിടുന്നു.
Kerala celebrates Navaratri. Let me take you to the next state, Tamil Nadu. Let's see the festivities of Kulu, which celebrates the victory of good over evil. Come, see what I have arranged for this Navaratri. Isn't it beautiful? Kulu, divine presence, is a doll and figure in display, mostly of gods, showcased during Navaratri in southern India. It is celebrated as a part
of Dasara festival, where young girls and women display dolls and figurines during Navratri. In the evenings, women within the neighborhood invite each other to visit their homes to view the Koilu displays and exchange gifts and sweets, sing and play instruments in praise of the god. Koilu also has a significant connection with the agricultural economy. Besides the economic aspect of the festival, it is an important occasion for socializing.
प्रियवरप्रदायिनि भावरागतानविश्वासिनि भक्तजनप्रियवरप्रदायिनि पञ्चाशद्गीतरूपिणि मामायि श्री राजराजेश्वरी पञ्चाशद्गीतरूपिणि.
Now we have reached the state of Karnataka. Speaking of Navratri celebrations in Karnataka, the first things that comes in our mind is the state festival called Dasara. So now let's hear more in detail about Navratri celebrations in Karnataka.
In Karnataka, Dasara is observed as state festival Nadahabba. Because of the celebration of the festival is staged by the royal family of Mysore. The royal family of Mysore performs special puja on the occasion of Dasara. It was the day in the Hindu legends when goddess Chamundeshwari, Ma Durga, killed the demon Mahishasura. Mahishasura is the demon whose slaying by the goddess gave the city the name Mysuru. On Vijayadashmi, the traditional Dasara procession, locally known as Jambu Savari, is held on the streets of Mysore city. The main attraction of this procession is the idol of the goddess Chamundeshwari, which is placed on a golden mandapa, which is around 750 kg of gold on the top of a decorated elephant. During the Dasara, the palace and the entire city is gaily decorated and illuminated. Cultural programs by famous artists are arranged in the palace along with sports, wrestling, poets meet, food festival, film festival, witnessed by a large number of people.
Hope all of you enjoyed the celebration of Navaratri in the state of Karnataka. Thank you.
Sabai Kesibit, which means greetings to everyone. Welcome to West Bengal, and I am going to say how we celebrate Durga Puja here. Durga Puja is a major festival of Hinduism. It is traditionally held for 10 days in the month of Ashina, the 7th month of the Hindu calendar, and particularly celebrated in Bengal, Assam and many other eastern Indian states. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of the goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasura. Durga Puja is also celebrated on the same day as Navratri, a 9-night festival which is popular in many northern and western states of India, which more broadly celebrates this divine thing. This day is celebrated as Vijayadashmi, and the married women of Kolkata Narsinghu on each other. To witness this grand celebration, the state tourism runs special boats. Bengalis greet each other with sweets on this day, and the women perform the Matru Bhajan after the immersion of the Durga idol in the evening.
Thank you.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि आसरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभभञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Gujarati festivals are incomplete without the mention of Navratri. It is celebrated for long 9 days with high pomp and show. Navratri is dedicated to all the 9 forms of goddess Durga. Communities come together to dance Garba. Navaratri means 9 nights. The 9 nights are broken up into sections of 3. First 3 days are for goddess Durga, the next 3 days for goddess Lakshmi, and last 3 days for goddess Saraswati. It is also the time to celebrate the soil fertility and monsoon harvest. The soil is worshipped and watered for all the 9 days of the festival. In this festival, Garba dance plays a vital role. It's a form of dance which originated from Gujarat. Traditionally, they are performed around a centrally lit lamp or a picture or a statue of goddess Shakti. It consists of several forms of Gujarati folk dance like Tali Garba, Tran Tali Garba, Ras, etc.
संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय
parts of India like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and West Bengal. Though it's a religious festival, it has many scientific reasons behind the way it is celebrated. Let us try to scientifically answer some of the most important questions about Navratri. What is Navratri about? Navratri is about our planet Earth. We all know that most of the festivals celebrate are based on the seasonal changes. And Navratri is celebrated in the month of October, which marks the beginning of winter. After October, the nights are longer and the days are shorter. Accordingly, we have to change our sleep cycle. And Navratri is a reminder of these changes. Now, why do we fast during Navratri? As I have already told, Navratri is celebrated in the beginning of winter. And during this time, our immunity will be in its all-time low. And hence, fasting is one of the best ways to remove toxins from our body and mind. Last but not the least, why do we dance during Navratri? We dance like Garba and Dandiya during Navratri so that the negative energies in our body can be replaced by positive energies. And the reason behind this is the happy hormones, endorphins. When we dance, we release a high amount of endorphins, which keep us happy. Hope you all enjoyed these facts. Thank you and a very happy Vijayadashami to all.